Akweke rima, akweke rima. Akweke rima, akweke rima. Queen mother is akweke rima. Queen mother, fight orina. Queen mother, akweke.
Dorima, Dorima.
Long live.
You all are welcome, my beautiful princesses. My peace you all shall have. May you introduce yourselves according to what you represent.
My name is Olema, the princess of thunder. I strike in fury when provoked.
My name is Sisioma, the great eagle. I soar higher than any other creature, and I see that which none can see. The world lies right under my feet.
I am Mirima, the princess of the water. I make no enemy, but whoever that steps on my toes, I shall swallow.
My name is Adama, the princess of the sun. I shine unto all nations, but when provoked, I melt away my enemies.
I am Apugo, the queen of pythons. My soft courage does not represent weakness, but strength. I might look soft, but when provoked, no one can withstand my venom.
It gladdens my heart that my beautiful princesses are well represented.
What a beautiful maiden. Hello, beautiful maiden. Do you have a name? Talk to me.
Stop following me else you will get hurt.
Getting hurt by the scorching sunshine or getting soaked by the rain does not matter to me. What matters to me is for you to be my friend. Beautiful. Who did she go to? Beautiful maiden!
This abacha and granite, eh? Hey! It's very sweet.
Let me test you.
Longer throat.
Mama.
You are not throat. I know that if I say this now, you like to take.
Mama, let me take small now. My hands.
Hold your this one. Don't touch it so.
Mama!
Mama, this is this stage. You are just being stingy.
Mama!
Oh, Abarukum. Welcome.
Mama! Mama, you have to guess.
You know your mother is not good.
Mama, you have to guess this one, no.
This one you are very happy today.
Please tell me about it.
Mama, I have seen a maiden that I want to marry.
Hey!
Tell me about her.
Are you
Who
serious?
is she? What is her name? Who is her parents?
Mama,
From which
relax. You are asking too many questions, Mama. I just met her today for the first time.
Ah.
Yes, I am just taking my time to know her, Mama. By the time I get to know her better, I'll bring her home.
Ah, you just met her today. How are you sure that she's the one you want to
Mama,
marry?
she's the one for me.
Okay, I can't wait to see her.
Eh.
You see what? Just try and make inquiries. Know who her father is, her mother, their village and everything. You know you are the first son and the only son of this family. So you need to do everything to get married.
Mama, you don't have to remind me. You
Mama.
don't have to.
I have told Agaba times without number to stop going after every maiden that he crosses path with. Some of these maidens are possessed. Some of them belongs to a dangerous coven that he doesn't know. I just want you to be very careful so you don't fall a victim.
Listen, my sister, you see this very maiden? She's so beautiful. She can't even hurt a fly. Yes, Mama. Hey! She's so beautiful, Mama.
See, your sister may be right. You have to listen to her and be careful. And that's the more reason you should find out her village, her parents, and everything.
Her name, most importantly.
I'll do that, Mama.
It's okay.
Let me go and drop her.
Wait, come and take more now.
Mama, I need to rest.
Hey.
I'll be back.
Okay.
You are welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Mama, look at this thing now.
Oh.
Look at, it's just come. Hey, Mama.
Onyoshi, thief. I know. If you did not eat this, you will not be Minima again. Longer throat.
Thank you.
Agua, Mama, why don't you want to eat your food? The yam is very delicious. It's fresh. And the oil is sweet.
I do not have appetite.
I don't understand. Is that supposed to be an answer, what? But tell me something else you want to eat so that I can quickly prepare for you. I don't have appetite. It shouldn't be an answer.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Sister is fond of selecting food. You know, you were here when I said I can quickly prepare something for her else to eat. Apart from this yam. I don't know why she's picky with food.
Mama, me too, I don't understand. It is either she's eating just fruits or nothing at all. I don't even understand her sometimes.
Why would you say something about that? It's natural, some people are like that. They are picky with food. So why is her own different?
Mama, do you know that sometimes I begin to wonder if she is possessed?
May the gods forbid. Why will you say that about your own blood sister? Huh? Why will you make such an expensive remark about your blood sister? Who possessed her? You? Or what? Can I stop? If you want to finish the whole yam by yourself, finish it. Nobody's dragging it with you.
Mama, why are you sounding like that now? I only said what I had.
You too, what have you observed? Don't observe things like that.
Okay. Mama, but then, this yam is very, very sweet.
Enjoy. Your nasty remark about your blood sister. This yam is very sweet. Finish it. She's dragging it with you.
I can finish it too.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Beautiful one, we meet again. I beg you to tell me your name at least, please. Wait! How did she get there so quickly? Beautiful one, wait! Wait for me! Wait, please. Beautiful one. Wait. Hey! Beautiful one. Snake. Beautiful one. Snake. Beautiful one. Snake. Hey! 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 Ah! Ah! Snake! Snake! Oh! Snake! Snake! Oh! Ah! Snake! Snake!
I told you to stop following me, but you wouldn't listen. Let me drop the water in your mouth. Then you will leave.
Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Beautiful one.
Beautiful one. Beautiful one. Mama! Mama!
Ogene.
Mama!
What is it? Why are you calling my name like that?
Mama, did you see my fowl?
No, I didn't see it. Did you keep it in my care?
Mama, so why can't I find my fowl?
Look for it very well. I don't know. Why are you sounding like that?
Mama, how can we be in this house and my fowls just keep missing one after another?
Go search for it very well. Maybe it's strayed. I don't know. You didn't keep it in my care.
Akugo, did you see my fowl anywhere?
No.
Go and search for it.
See, just no. So we will be in this house. No.
Why don't you go look for it? Why are you behaving as if it's me or Akugo that took it?
Mama, this thing cannot continue. My fowl every time. I keep searching for it. Where did I even keep it?
Keep it well. Next time, keep it well. Fowls you did not keep in anybody's care. It could stray and mix with other fowls and come back later in the day. I don't know why you're behaving like this, as if I stole the fowl.
Now welcome.
Greetings.
What is wrong with him? He looks so angry.
Mama, I don't know. He looks so worried.
Let's go and find out what the problem is.
Very well, Mama. I'm coming.
Why is she doing this to me? Why is she so unreachable? Why is she giving me this emotional frustration? Why?
My son, who is tearing your heart into shreds?
Brother, confide in us. Who is she?
I don't know whom she is. She refused to come close. Yet, my heart grieves to have her.
Any maiden that refuses to come close to you means nothing to you. I advise you, move on with your life. Forget about her. There are many fishes in the river.
Exactly.
I was bitten by a dangerous snake today.
What? Snake?
Yes, Mama. Just when the venom was about to suck the daylight out of me, she appeared from nowhere and healed me.
What? Do you mean she disappeared?
I can't tell, Mother.
But brother, according to your story, this maiden is mysterious and she's not good for you. I advise you to forget everything about her.
My son, your sister is right. Any maiden that is not close to you, such a maiden could be so dangerous to you. It's better you stay away from her.
Mama, my heart grieves for her personality. She's the kind of a maiden I would like to spend the rest of my life with.
Then, go close to her, win her heart, then bring her home. That's all.
My son, in that case, you don't have a problem. Just calm down and be at peace with yourself. Everything will fall into place.
Mama! 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 Akugo! Mama! Mama!
Gịnị? Gịnị kwa? Nna! What is the matter? Why are you this worried? What is the problem? Can you at least talk to me?
Mama, I am very troubled. Oh. I am very troubled. I went for hunting. I caught a big grass cutter. I brought it back home. I kept it right here. Out of excitement, I went back of the hut to call you and Akugo. I saw nobody there. I got back now. I can't find my catch. Where is my grass cutter, Mama? I can't find it. It was right here. I can't find it anymore. I have searched everywhere. I can't find it.
What is the meaning of this? Who could have taken the grass cutter? Just us in this hut. We don't have neighbors. So what could have happened to the grass cutter you came home with?
Mama, first my chickens. All gone, one by one, finished. Now, my own cat, my grass cutter, that I suffered to catch in the bush.
Ekene, I think a wild animal is doing this. I believe it's a snake. There are snakes around this hut, and giant ones at that. Which snake will be able to swallow a grass cutter?
A very big one. Mama, I think you are right. There is a wild animal. A snake, as you suggested. I have a plan.
Which is?
I am going to set a trap for that snake. And I will catch it.
It's a very good idea. I want you to do that. I think it's the best thing to do. I believe your trap will be able to catch a big animal, possibly an antelope this time, at least to compensate you for all your losses. I'm sorry about that. Don't worry about it. I know I know how you feel. But let it go. Please help me carry My take the basket to the back of the hut for me. It's very heavy. Please? No, happen for later. Sorry about it.
What happened to you? No, again. Talk to us now. You're making us nervous. What is it?
Oh, I just woke up with a nagging pain on my left hand.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry. Sorry, my child.
I thought it was something serious.
I can only shut your mouth. So the pain is not something serious. Are you the one feeling the pain? So if you were the one feeling the pain, she wouldn't have said sorry to you.
Mama, she's going to be fine. Let me go back to what I was doing.
Go back to whatever nonsense you were doing. Sorry, my child. I hope it's not too serious. Let me massage it for you. No. Sorry. Sorry, Nem, sorry. Sorry.
Greetings, great sisterhood. According to the tradition of our great sisterhood, I present the blood of my newly married husband.
You have done noble, Isioma. Now listen to me, all of you. None of you should forget to sacrifice your husband a night before your traditional marriage. The blood of your groom shall be sacrificed. The more you make sacrifices, the more stronger and powerful you become. beautiful princesses, I present to you all the sacrificial lamb.
Please wait, talk to me. Beautiful one, please.
Beautiful one, please, talk to me. Beautiful one, please. Talk to me, please. You saved my life when I was got bitten by the snake. Please, talk to me.
Stop following me. We are not of the same world. I have told you before. Stop!
Beautiful one, please. Wait. At least let me know your name, please.
Apugo.
Akugo, thank you. Thank you for saving my life. Thank you. Thank you.
I cannot leave you, my love, you are everything to me. No matter what, I will stick with you.
On our way home, we get firewood.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, my friends.
Greetings to both of you. Young maiden, you possess this beauty that is not common among other maidens. Your beauty is original. Your beauty is exceptional. And I must agree with my instinct that you are the most beautiful creature that I have ever come across.
Oh, thank you.
Whose daughter are you?
I'm the daughter of late Obunka.
Late Obunka. I shall come to see your people later on.
My prince, it will be a great honor to receive you as our guest.
Very well done. Farewell.
Farewell, my prince.
Cause you mean everything to me. No matter what, I will stick with you. All of my love.
Oh, welcome back, my children.
Hey, Baba.
How did it go?
Mama, guess what?
What is it, Dikeh? What happened? Did anything happen?
Beautiful news. Mama Royalty is on his way to our household.
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
Akugo has found favor in the eyes of the prince.
How? I don't understand.
Mama, as we were coming back from the farm, our path crossed with the prince. He stopped us. He made his intention very clear about my sister. Mama, guess what?
I don't even
He
know what
said he is coming to see her people. Do you know what this means? He wants to come and marry her.
That's a good thing. But we cannot conclude yet. We have to wait for him to come around to make his intention known to us. Before then, let us fold our arms and wait.
Mama, we have to be positive because I cannot wait to be part of the royal family.
That is our humble prayer.
Yes.
Go to the kitchen and carry your food and eat.
Okay, thank you. Like I was telling you, I am very sure the prince will keep his word.
Greetings, my prince.
May the peace of the gods be unto this household.
And also with you, my prince. My prince, it is said a toad is usually not seen in broad daylight. But whenever it is like that, it is either the toad is chasing after a prey or something is chasing after it. My prince, may your presence usher fortune in our path.
Indeed, the gods of our land have remembered this family. Your beautiful daughter Akugo has found favor in my eyes. Therefore, I have come to speak to her.
Let me fetch her at once. Greetings, Your Majesty, the future queen of this kingdom.
Where is that one coming from? Ekene, leave me alone.
Why? Guess what? Guess.
What?
The prince is here for you.
What?
Yes. He's asking after you. Come with me. Come, let's go. Make sure you look beautiful.
Serious?
Oh, yeah. Just look good, eh?
Greetings, the most beautiful maiden in our kingdom. Your awesome personality has endeared you to my heart. Therefore, I have come to make my intentions known to you with all of this. And also with this bag containing 1,000 pieces of cows.
I am honored to be chosen amongst other maidens in this kingdom. But with regret in my heart, I wish to inform you that I am not interested.
What?
Please leave with your gifts and your cowries. I will go now.
Mama. Let me get her. Akugo!
Akugo!
What is wrong with you? Mama?
What was the meaning of that? How can you embarrass and humiliate the prince that much? What has come over you?
You call it embarrassment and humiliation.
Of course, that is what it is.
Why? Are you saying that I do not have the right to reject the prince? Why? Is he not human? Nay. I will reject whoever I do not like. And you, or you, nobody is forcing me to marry the prince.
Something must be wrong with you in this your small squad. Is your brain functioning? Listen, you must marry him. Let me tell you something, and you must. I am not asking you.
Then stop me. Make me marry him, or you marry him.
Mama, did you just see
What would you have me do? Kill her? Is it no better we give her time to think? Maybe she may change her mind. But forcing her will not yield anything if you ask me 1,000,000 times.
Mama, all I know is we are not going to lose out on this royal connection.
Maybe it's better you marry the prince.
My son, you are not looking happy. What is bothering you?
Father, the worst has happened. I was humiliated today by a commoner in this kingdom.
Someone humiliated you? And who is that person that humiliated my son, the prince of the kingdom? Who is that?
Her name is Akugo, the daughter of late Obunka. She found favor in my eyes, and when I went to make my intention known to her, she turned me down blatantly. She has left a scar in my heart. My heart is bleeding, Father.
A commoner, Akugo, humiliated my son. Don't worry. She is nobody in this kingdom. We have more than 1,000 beautiful maidens in this kingdom. All of them are at your beck and call. Take your time. Choose a beautiful one and make her your bride.
You will not understand how it feels, Father. That young maiden, Akugo, is the only one that has found favor in my eyes. She is the only one that has won my heart. No one else.
Don't worry, my son. You will come over it. Just take your time. Be a man.
You know this song? Akweko rima, akweko rima, do rima rima, do rim. Akweko rima, do rima rima, do rim. Maiga je kwenu ni kwe rima, do rima rima, do rim. Anu weru bwene sorayo rima, do rima rima, do unkene weru bwene sonayo rima.
Greetings to you all.
Greetings.
Greetings. Who are you and what do you seek?
I'm here to see your sister Akugo.
Akugo, do you know him?
I saw a ripe fruit in this household and I've come to pluck it. Akugo, I have neither gold or silver, but with this grass cutter, I have come to seek your hand in marriage.
Listen, by looking at you, you do not have what it takes to marry my beautiful sister. So I would...
Speak for yourself, Ekene. What is your name?
Agaba.
I like you. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Thank you for this big grass cutter.
This is all I could provide.
It is more than enough.
Thank you for appreciating it.
Farewell.
Farewell.
It is so big, Ile. It is very big.
Where are you? Hey! Agogo! Are you mad? What is wrong with you? How dare you choose that poverty, stinking hunter over the prince of this kingdom? Why? How? Eh? I'm talking to you now, talk to me! You are walking out on me, Akugo! Look at this girl, oh! Where is this done? That my own sister finds favor in the eyes of the prince and she chooses poverty over riches. Are we cursed? My family is supposed to live. Akugo! You must marry the prince! Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama! 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 Mama!
The beautiful maiden I told you about has finally accepted to marry me, Mama.
Hey!
That's
Oh,
good
I'm
news.
so happy, Mama.
Thanks be to the gods.
Yes, Mama, thanks be to the God that this beautiful maiden has finally accepted to marry me, Mama. I'm so happy.
And I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
So, what is the name of this beautiful maiden you're talking about?
My sister, don't bother yourself because a name cannot describe how beautiful she is. Yes, but don't worry. Very soon I'll bring her home and introduce her to Mama. Yes.
Very well then. I can't wait to see her.
Mama, guess what? We need to celebrate these good tidings. Yes, this
Right.
calls for a celebration.
It calls for celebration.
Mama. Please
Yeah?
bring my favorite.
Minima.
Yes.
Go and prepare your brother's favorites. Let's use it to celebrate this good news.
Yes.
No, Mama. We don't have to celebrate now.
Why?
Because we have not seen the young maiden.
Wait, are you the one to choose a wife for your brother?
Mama,
of course we
don't.
can't celebrate what we have not seen.
Listen, Mama. She's only jealous because she's my sister and I can't get married to her. I understand.
She
Go
loves
and-
you so much.
Yes, go and bring
Go
my
and
favorite.
do what I asked you to do, Biko.
Hey.
Go and
Mama.
prepare his favorite.
Mama, I'm so happy.
I'm happy.
Why are you following me, Kenneth?
Nothing. Akugo, my sister, she behaves so mysterious. Mama, I think she's possessed.
Are you mad? How many times have I warned you to stop saying this nonsense about your blood sister? She is not possessed. She's only living out her life as a maiden in this kingdom. What is wrong with you?
Mama, you don't understand. Somebody who doesn't eat, she does not eat. If she decides to eat, she eats little. Or fruits. Is that person normal?
Must everybody be like you? That doesn't get filled when eating. You eat and eat all day. Must she be like you? She's a maiden. That is her choice of eating. Is there anything wrong with that? Huh? I think you should be the one that is possessed because you're the one looking at her from that angle.
Mama, something is wrong. Something mysterious is happening.
I don't want problem in my heart. Go and apologize to her because you know if she hears this, that heart will not contain us. You know that.
I should go and apologize to her.
Yes, go and apologize. Because your own is too much. Why must you always pick on her? What did she ever do wrong to you? That she doesn't eat? Is it your stomach?
Mama, I will not apologize to her because I am her elder brother. But Mama, I am making sense. See it.
You are not making any sense. Whether you are her elder brother or younger brother, you must not choke her to death. I can see I'm very busy because you're supposed to be the one to fix this ban. And you left it for me to do because you're busy snooping around looking for gossips that are not looking for you.
Mama, if you have to come and see this thing, Mama, I am sorry.
Go and see for yourself. I'm not interested.
Mama, something is wrong somewhere.
Get out. Etienne, leave me alone. Leave me alone! It's because you eat too much. For no cost. If not, you won't be snooping around looking for gossip that is not looking for you.
Mama, come and see for yourself.
Ogeni.
Come and see, come. Mama, come, hurry up, come and see.
What?
What?
What is it? What is it? You cannot talk again. Why are you lost?
Just
Here now.
Then what happened? Ekenogene, you know your problem is overfeeding. You like food and you like it in abundance. You will eat until it starts coming out from your nose and your mouth everywhere, even from your ear. Your mates are in the bush hunting. Are you no longer a hunter? If you don't go like that, why are you following her like that? Can't she be a maiden again? Please, stop.
Mama, it was...
It was. It wasn't. Not in this happening.
What?
Mama! 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 She's the beautiful maiden I told you about. The one after my heart, Mama. The bone of my bone, the flesh upon my flesh.
Greetings, Name.
Come, my daughter. And what is your name?
My name is Akugo.
I must say, your name is as beautiful as you are.
You can say that again, Mama.
So, where are you from?
I'm from this kingdom, and Achalugo is my mother.
Achalugo. Oh, my daughter, come. My son.
Mama.
I must say, you have eyes for good things.
You can say that again, Mama.
Why don't you sit down? Let me prepare something for you to eat.
Sit.
It's, Ine, I don't think I'm hungry, but I'll just take water.
Water?
Mama Biko, get her water. Get her water, Mama. Get her water, Mama. You're welcome.
I like your mother.
Thank you.
Ekene, this bag contains 100 pieces of cowries. I am giving it to you so that you will make your sister Akugo accept to be my bride. And when she finally marries me, I am going to give you another 100 pieces of cowries. Have it.
My prince, my sister is already yours. She's your wife already.
If she becomes my wife, I am going to make you a successful young man.
My prince, count it done. Thank you so much, my prince. I should be on my way.
Farewell.
Mama, greetings.
Welcome, my daughter. You look so tired.
Mama, I am really tired.
Guess what?
Mama, you know I am not good in guessing. What is it?
Just try small. Guess who was here today?
Mama, I don't know. Just tell me.
Your brother's bride was here.
My brother's bride?
Yes.
Was here?
She came today.
Where is she? Where is she, Mama?
She just left. You missed.
She just left,
Yes.
just like that.
Your brother is seeing her off.
Hey, Mama, I would have loved to see her.
She waited before she said she wants to go.
Hey. Oh. So, Mama, how is she? How does she look like?
She's beautiful, tall, dark in complexion, and pretty.
Are you serious?
Yes. I can't wait to meet her. Don't worry, tomorrow is another day, so she will be coming.
Hi.
I need to know who that person is so that my brother doesn't fall a victim. All of us, Olimma, Isioma, Onamma, and Adamma, are all over the places looking for the blood of young men to sacrifice.
Mirima, hey, what is the problem?
Mama, I'm fine.
Are you sure you are?
Mama, I'm okay. I am just hungry.
I cooked something for you, so go to the kitchen and carry it.
Oh, Mama, I trust you. Thank you, Mama.
It's okay, you're welcome.
My beautiful sister, the envy of every other maiden in this kingdom and beyond, the joy of every man. You are the key, my sister.
What do you want, Ekene?
I want us to talk about Prince Omenu.
What about him?
I want you to get married to him. You see, looking at you naturally, you are a born queen. So therefore, this means you have to get married to the prince and become the next queen of this kingdom. Can't you see? Look, think about the advantages. You the queen, Mama, the queen mother, myself, I'll become richer, and this lineage, our family will never know poverty.
How many cowries did he pay you to talk me into marrying him?
Cowries? Cowries?
I wish to be left alone, Ekene. I said I wish to be left alone, and I do not need you talking about me.
Think about it.
Please let us continue.
So right now you're getting married and leaving us, right?
Do not mind my brother.
Okay, let's go.
Olimma, Adamma, thank you so much for keeping me company today.
You're always welcome. We love you.
Farewell.
She's a python queen. She's so powerful and so dangerous. She's a python queen. A mixture of human and spirit. She's dangerous. She's She's a python in human form, and nobody knows. She looks like a harmless.
Who is here? Is anyone home? Is anyone home? Greetings, Ekene.
Greetings. Who are you looking for?
Ekene, I'm here to see your sister.
You are here to see my sister?
Yes. Your sister, Kugo.
I have only one sister. Okay. Sit down. Let me get her for you.
Thank you, Kene.
No worry.
Thank you.
Sit. And come, you know. Don't worry. Let me get her for you. Hey. What are you doing?
Ikene! Leave! Ogini!
Leave my house!
Please don't shoot. I'll leave.
We are still talking. If I shoot, I will shoot your Akbamu. Move! I will... Get out from here! Useless, poverty-stinking hunter! Poverty! What are you doing?
It is so big.
Will you drop it immediately? Huh?
Who are you shouting at?
It's not that useless hunter, what's his name? Agaba? Will you drop it?
I said no.
Come back here! Come back here! When you God bear me witness, my own sister, with no wisdom, you will not marry that useless hunter. Poverty all over him. And you, Agaba, let me see you in my house again.
I cannot leave you, my love.
Mrs. May.
Oh, Akugo. Welcome.
Thank you.
How are your parents?
They are fine.
Okay.
I am here to see Agaba.
I know. He's around. Agaba! Agaba! Here,
Mama!
have this.
Thank you.
Agaba!
Mama!
Mama, I'm back.
Oh, Ne, welcome.
Apugo. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that question. What are you doing here?
This is my father's compound. What are you doing here?
Agaba is your brother.
Mama!
Agaba.
And
Nkem?
your maiden is here.
Yes. Mirima,
What is it?
wait. Do you two know each other?
Yes. I know her.
Mirima, my sister. She's the one I told you about.
No, Apugo. I need to see your side now. I am talking to you, Apugo. Apugo!
Nkem?
What is the problem?
No!
Nkem?
No!
Minima! Minima! Akugo! Akugo!
Nkem, wait, please. Wait. Is there something I need to know? Tell me.
There is nothing you need to know. I'll talk to you later, maybe.
Nkem? Nkem! Please wait.
Ugebo yibom. Mwana mam. Woma. See this goat. this he-goat, and this other gift. That was what the prince brought for us. It means the prince has a heart of gold. Hey, he's so kind-hearted.
My beautiful sister, Akugo, you have to get married to the prince. He deserves you. You know, and you also deserve him. If you get married to the prince, do you know what this means? It simply means that poverty has also left our household forever and ever.
Poverty won't come again. My child, have you ever imagined the kind of enjoyment, what you stand to gain once you become the queen of this kingdom? Your fellow maidens will fall at your feet to reverence you.
You'll be envious.
And for the prince who have given us all this gift, it means he will be able to take care of you. And it also means that he loves you so much from the bottom of his heart. I am begging you by the name of the gods, please accept him and marry him. Because I cannot wait to be his mother. And I want to be a queen mother.